Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. If you are suffering from gas, bloating, indigestion, GERD, this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you 3 simple tips that will help you and just one herb that can help you in all of these problems. The first thing we have to understand is maximum times gas, bloating, indigestion, these all things happens if we have lower pH of our stomach, means the acid in the stomach is not as well as it should be. If the pH of our stomach it falls down, this creates all these problems. pH means the fire in our stomach. That's the pitta in Ayurveda. So if we'll have good fire, the good pH in our stomach, then all the food will be easily digested and will not have any kinds of discomfort in our stomach. And this lowering of the pH of our stomach can be the cause of anemia and can cause you the iron deficiency. It's not that your body is lacking in iron. It is because your body is not able to absorb the iron or other minerals from the food that you are eating. Even today I had a patient who is having lower pH of the stomach and plus she is very much depleted in the iron. It was 2. You can say 2 means it's about 0. She was pale and was having lots of problems with her stomach. The treatment which she was prescribed was omaze and plus the injection, the intravenous injections of the iron. Yes, if it's so critical, then yes, I'm not against putting the intravenous injections, but the cause of this problem is the lower pH, and taking omaze or any other these kinds of drugs will worsen the situation. So what are my recommendation? If even you are having the low ferritin, iron or the hemoglobin, you should start working on your digestion, and this can be done. My first recommendation is about apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it, lemon or lime. Add it to 1 glass of warm water. Drink it in the morning, in the day or in the evening, whatever time suits you, or whenever you feel that you are more bloated. If you feel by the evening you are more bloated, then drink this in the evening. Will be better before food. Means if you are feeling bloating in the dinner time, then better to drink it half an hour before your dinner so that you can add the acid to your stomach, maybe 20 minutes before. So according to your comfort, you can drink it and this will help you. My second recommendation is adding betaine hydrochloride. If you are too low in your pH of your stomach, then what you can do is in the morning you took the apple cider vinegar and in the evening add 1 capsule of or the tablet of betaine hydrochloride. It is itself the acid that we need, that we are lacking. Why we are lacking? It can be because of our wrong food habits and plus it decreases with the age also. So in any of the cases, you can use betaine hydrochloride or apple cider vinegar. Just add it in the evening and this will shorten your problems. If you have tried apple cider vinegar, you have tried betaine hydrochloride, this is not working for you, then maybe it is because of the lack of vitamin B12. Yes, lack of vitamin B12 can also cause the lowering of the pH of your stomach, and if you will be adding up vitamin B12, this in turn will help you all these problems with your gastrointestinal tract. This will be the answer. Now let's move towards the herb. The best herb in all of this issue, what I have seen is Triphala. Triphala is combination of 3 fruits. 3 means 3, phala means fruits. It's the best herb to maintain the pH of your stomach. It is very rich in vitamin C, and for the absorption of the iron, the ferritin from the food that you are eating, we need vitamin C. So you will be getting the vitamin C from this powder. It will balance the pH, plus one of the herb in this powder is which balances the immunity of your body. So it's a very rich complex. So just take Triphala powder and this can help you. How to take? 1 teaspoon 2 times in a day, 30 minutes after food. You can just mix it in water, either you can just drink it with water as you are comfortable. If you don't like the taste at all, because Triphala is not a chocolate or an ice cream, it's an herb. If you don't like the taste, then go for the tablets, but the powder is always more effective. Two tablets 2 times in a day, 30 minutes after food. I'll put the links down below of all the stuff that I have talked about. You can have a look. Either they are very easily available all over the world. Just buy them, use them, and maybe this will be the answer. I personally don't recommend to go for the treatment of H. pylori, Helicobacter pylori. Why? Because it is creating problem because you are having the lower acid in your stomach. If you will have good acid, then this problem can be suppressed or it will not create any problems for you. So this is the basic. If you are having H. pylori, if you are having low ferritin, if you are having low iron, this is how you should treat it. Eat good, make the fundamentals clear that if you have lower acid, you have to add acid. You don't have to have the medicines that are going to more suppress your acid in the stomach. I hope this makes any sense, and I hope this information will be helpful for you, or maybe someone, your known person. You should know these stuffs. These are simple things, but can be game changer in anybody's life who is suffering from this. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.